What's the meaning of bracelet? Bracelet. Bracelet.
Bracelet. Bracelet. A bracelet is a type of jewelry worn around the wrist. It can be made of various materials such as metal, leather, beads, and stones. Bracelets have been worn for centuries, not only as a fashion accessory, but also as a symbol of cultural significance. They come in different styles and designs such as bangles, cuff bracelets, and charm bracelets. Some people wear bracelets for their religious or spiritual significance, while others wear them simply to add some sparkle to their outfit. Overall, bracelets are a versatile accessory that can suit any style or occasion.